feel the natural air conditioning in just a few minutes.
Oh yeah, there was a system that jumped out in front of it.
I just put on Facebook, rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain so hard that it damages the garden. That's all. Yeah, let's see what happens. You get to be on the porch. What? You get to be on the porch. Isn't that fun? Belle, come here. Belle, come on.
I was looking for 2 hours. Exactly 2 hours.
What do you think, Belle? We're having us a rainstorm.
Hampton's gonna get slammed.
Oh man.
I want my baby.
You want your baby?
No.
She does not want her.
You don't need your baby?
No. It's wet. It's wet.
What? No, stay here. It should cool it off, I would imagine. Just coming in.
Yeah, well, cold air is not it's not here yet though. Oh shoot.
Nice. It's like here, Emma. I know. No, we can't.
Run out there real quick and run back in.
Go outside and come back. It's a little cooler. You getting rain on you? Well, that's why it's not raining, because there's blue sky over top of us right now.
I wear my boots down.
We got blue sky right now. Well, I'm sure that we won't for long. What you doing, Emma? Our towels are getting washed. That's okay. There's chlorine on them. They get washed.
They need to get rinsed off
They need it. You like splashing in the puddle?
Yes.
Gonna splash in the puddle?
Yes.
Right there's the puddle. Hey! Right there's the puddle. Why do kids like to splash in puddles?
I don't know.
I'm fine.
Yep, bike's getting washed.
Yeah. And this floor.
Yep.
And there's that. And there's this.
It's kind of nice because now we don't have to water the garden.
Yeah. No, go up.
Do what?
Go up. Go up.
Yeah.
This was just a little bloof on the radar. The big stuff is still coming.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.